Hey you, wanna know a little secret? Kangaroos can't walk backwards.
What kind of a secret is that? Allow me to let you in on an actual secret. Did you know that if you or someone you know requires care, you can receive the care needed in your own home while still living independently?
Really?
And a family member, neighbor, or friend can provide that care, and they can get paid.
Okay, well you've definitely got me beat with that one.
Yeah, you bet I do. Well, my name is Andrew.
And I'm Alyssa.
And we will be your guides into the incredible world which is your home. Get it? Because it's in your home.
Okay, well, we will be your guides into the incredible world of the in-home support services or IHSS program so that you can start receiving care from someone who truly knows you best. Even if this program might not be a fit for you, please share this with any family member, neighbor, or friend who could benefit from a program designed to provide care in the comfort of their own home. So Andrew, what's the IHSS program?
That's a great question, Alyssa. Let's go over to the classroom and talk a little bit more about it. The In-Home Support Services, or IHSS program, is a Medicaid-based service designed to help individuals who need assistance with daily activities to be able to stay in their own homes rather than moving to a care facility. It offers vital support such as personal care, homemaking, and health maintenance for those with disabilities or chronic illnesses. This allows them to live independently while receiving the care they need.
The goal of IHSS is to improve the quality of life for participants by providing services in the comfort of their own homes. By doing so, the program reduces the need for institutionalized care and fosters community living. One unique aspect of IHSS is that family members and friends can become paid caregivers, helping to ensure that care is delivered by people who know and understand you the best.
Voyager Home Healthcare is here to help you every step of the way. They're the highest paying and highest rated IHSS agency in Colorado. They have 24/7 customer service and would love to help you out with this process and answer any questions you have. Call or text them today at 719-400-2222.